First listen to this complete video, then mute the video and read it again. This information will stay in your mind for a lifetime. Let's start. What is physics? Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, motion, force and the fundamental laws that govern the universe. It helps us understand how and why things happen in the natural world. From the movement of tiny particles inside atoms to the motion of planets and stars in space, physics explains the behavior of everything around us. At its core, physics seeks to answer basic questions such as why do objects fall to the ground? How does light travel? What is electricity? How does sound move through air? By observing nature, performing experiments, and using mathematics, physicists develop theories and the laws that describe these phenomena. Some famous laws of physics include Newton's laws of motion, the law of gravity, and Einstein's theory of relativity. Physics is divided into several main branches. Classical physics deals with the motion, force, heat, light, and sound. It includes mechanics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism. Modern physics focuses on more complex topics such as quantum mechanics and relativity, which explain the behavior of very small particles and very fast moving objects. Nuclear physics studies the nucleus of atoms, while astrophysics explores stars, galaxies, and the universe as a whole. Physics plays a very important role in our daily lives. Many modern technologies are based on principles of physics. For example, electricity, mobile phones, computer, airplanes, medical imaging machines, and even simple household appliances work because of physical laws. Without physics, much of the technology we use today would not exist. One of the key features of physics is its use of mathematics. Equations help scientists describe relationship between different quantities, such as force and motion or energy and mass. Experiments are also very important in physics. Scientists test their ideas carefully and collect data to make sure their theories are correct. Physics is often called foundation of science because other sciences like chemistry, biology, and engineering depend on its principles. By understanding physics, we gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. In simple words, physics is the study of how the universe works. It explains the rules that control nature and help us create new inventions that improve our lives. For educational and historical videos, please subscribe Knowledgeable Worlds.